Hello, everyone. Miss Niki here from Studio CIA. I'm here to share a little bit more about us and our channel today. As many of you know, our channel is brand new, and we've been sharing our directed drawing and art lessons that are geared towards kids so far. But Studio CIA is not just for kids, it's about creativity for the whole family. I want to make sure you get a good grasp on everything our channel has to offer you. So these next few videos will be focused on a technique for those of you parents and teachers who need a little Zen moment to recharge. That's not to say that the kids won't love it too. It's just really for you, but they don't need to know that. If you're a parent or teacher who is often frustrated with the amount of paint left over from a project and you hate wasting, this intuitive art way of art journaling might be exactly what you're looking for. Or maybe you're just looking for a way to fit creativity back into your life daily. With its low stress, no thought, and ability to be done in small chunks at a time, using almost anything you have on hand, it's the perfect way to doodle, with the finished pieces feeling way more like a masterpiece than a doodle. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to the next video for a full introduction to this technique. And don't worry, we will continue to post new drawing tutorials for the whole family every week on Fridays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, while we begin to share other creative content for you to get the full feel of Studio CIA classes. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.